Hi everybody, and welcome to Burping After Dinner. How is everybody doing today? Welcome to all of my supporters and fans out there, everybody who is tuned in and watching the video. Thank you so much. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you leave your comments in the comment bar below. I do love reading all the comments, and make sure you press the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and be sure to come back for another video. Just in case you found this video by accident and you are not into burps, repeat, you are not into burps, you do not like burping sounds at all, make sure you go ahead and exit the video right now, because this may be a little disturbing to you. I don't want you to torture yourself and listen to the videos if the burping sounds, if you do not like them. So yeah, go ahead and exit to the left right now if you are not into burping. But however, if you discovered this channel and you are into burping sounds, you are in the right place. Let's go ahead and get this party started. I am burping into my Blue Yeti mic, so the sounds may get intense. If you're listening on a headphone or headset, make sure you adjust the sounds. And if you're listening on a regular phone or computer, I hope you enjoy. Okay, thanks for watching. I learned how to burp talk, a new word. Let me try it. Can y'all tell what that was? I was saying hater. Let me tell you again. That's for my haters. To all my haters out there, I love you too. And to everyone who watches my videos, whether or not you're a fan or a hater, thank you. Thank you very much. Hi everybody, and welcome to Burping After Dinner. I am here today to do some more burping, and warning to anyone who doesn't like burping videos: why are you watching them? Why are you subscribed to the channel? I don't know, but this is about to be intense burping. So if you do not want to hear burping, do not torture yourself. Get out of the video, unsubscribe to the channel, don't watch these videos no more if you do not like them, okay? Okie dokie smoky, thank you so much for watching. To all my supporters and subscribers, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, make sure you leave your comments down below, make sure you continue to come back for another video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell. It's very important that you turn on a notification bell when you subscribe to the channel. That way, when I upload a video, you will be notified and you don't have to wonder if I've been uploading. It'll let you know as soon as you press the notification bell, okay? I am burping into my microphone today, so the sounds may get a little intense. If you want to listen on your mic, on your headsets, you can, but I don't know if that's good to do because this gonna get loud. If you do listen on your headsets, turn them down if you need to, okay? Whew, that was a loud one. Whew, that was a loud one. Whew, that was a loud one. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Don't forget to press the subscribe button if you like videos like this and you want to see more. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so the next time I upload a video you will be alerted. And don't forget to come back and watch another video. Thank you for watching. Bye now.